Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can mute your notification on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So there's two ways to mute your Snapchat notification. The first method I'm going to show you. So the first method, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Over here you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside your Snapchat setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called notification. Once you see this option notification, click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to show you all the notification. Now from over here you can choose which notification you want to turn off or mute, and you can just turn those off and keep the necessary ones on. Alright, so from this step you can choose which notification you want, which you don't. But let's say you want to mute all of your notification. In that case, you can just do one simple thing. Go on your phone's setting, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see Snapchat. And once you see Snapchat over here, click on Snapchat, and you can see this option called notification, the fifth one. Click on notification, and at the top you can see this option called allow notification. It's on, just turn it off. Once you do that, Snapchat will not send you any notification. That means all of the notification of Snapchat will be turned off, just like this. So that's how you guys can mute Snapchat notification. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.